working the plantar fascia and the arch. I'm going to press my knuckles into the foot. Sometimes people's feet are very sensitive. Then I'll turn on my massage gun on a low to medium setting, and I support the ankle as I put pressure with the massage gun. So one hand supports the ankle joint, and the other one just kind of works the area nice and slow. And begin to just kind of warm it up, introduce your pressure so the person's not jumping out of their skin. And this is a bit closer of a look to show you how it looks as we're working the area. Up and down, just begin to warm it up. Get that entire area, the arch, and next to it the plantar fascia area, nice and warm. Then you can switch into something like the bullet piece that I'm using right now. And now is when I go a little bit firmer. If I find a knot or a hard point, I'll leave my pressure on there, hang out for a bit, and kind of the same exact pattern. We just work it in that manner, up and down. And if you need to know how to warm up or cool down, watch some of the other videos to get more specific on this. Now we target the ball of the foot. We're going to use the ball attachment before the bullet attachment. We're just going to work the area, kind of introduce it, make little circles, be nondescript, just kind of general pressure. And then you can get a little more specific, like with the ball piece right now. You should see the toes jiggle, just like an example. And then same thing with the bullet, except the bullet you could be more specific and work between the bones. And if you want to know more, subscribe and stay tuned for more.